Hey YouTube, so I just bought this new Char-Broil smoker, and we're going to start getting it ready to use for the first time. First off, you got to put the thing together. Goes together pretty easy. You just put the legs on with a couple of screws, you put the handles on, then on the inside basically just put the heating element on. Two screws on the side and one screw down there, and that's it. And then the racks just slide in, see? So the racks slide in. Once you do that, it comes with these trays. That's the tray that your wood goes in. You have your grease tray on the bottom, see? And this tray is for water, which I just filled with water for the first time. And I'm going to put it back in actually, because it says before you actually use it as a smoker that you should run it for 10 minutes. So that's what I'm going to do now. We're going to connect it up. We're going to run it for 10 minutes. This way we can let it run for its first time, and then it'll be ready to try and smoke some stuff. And we'll give it a try. We'll let you know how it works. Okay, basically the way this works is this is your controller here. You connect it to power, and you plug it straight in like this. Once it's connected in, to put it on, you just turn the knob. I don't know if you can see that, but the light came on. So we turn the knob, we put it on, and it should start heating up, and it should start smoking pretty soon. Okay, check it out. We are in the smoke zone, and I don't know if you can see that on video, but there is some steam coming out, some smoke. You can definitely feel the heat. The heat is on. So we're going to let that run. I'm going to let that burn off for a little while. Then we're going to clear it out, and then this will be ready. Oh, there you go. You see the smoke coming out that side, don't you? Then we'll be ready to rock and roll, and we will be ready to smoke. Hey YouTube, so this is going to be our first time cooking ribs in our Char-Broil smoker. So I just put the wood chips in here. I filled up the water in here in this tray. That's the drip tray in the bottom. I'm going to put the ribs in, and we're going to get started. So here's the deal. We got our 2 racks in. We're going to plug it in. We're going to get this started, and in 5 short hours we should be in good shape. Maybe 4 hours, I guess. We'll see. Okay, so we are cooking with gravy now. Look at that. So we're in the smoke zone. We got it set, and she's a smoking all right. She's doing her job. Now we just got to let her work. Okay, YouTube, I just took these out after 3 hours. Now what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to take them, I'm going to wrap them in tin foil and put them back in for another 2 hours to simmer. Okay, YouTube, it's time to take the ribs out and see what they look like. All right. That's it. Okay, let's pop them open. Ooh, look at that. Well, they look good. We'll find out how they taste, but they certainly look good. Anyway, that's how we use our smoker. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, check out some of my other videos. Have a good day.